Question number 5, page 20. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. So first is given A union B dash, right? So solution A union B whole dash. So first of all we have to draw Venn diagram of A union B, and then we are taking a complement of that set A union B. So first for A union B. This is set A and this is set B. And this is your union, that is universal set U. That is your universal set U. Now we have to draw Venn diagram of A union B. That you know, Venn diagram of A union B means all elements of A and B, right? All elements which are in A and B. So this is the set A union B, right? Now dash of that. So A union B dash. So this is our first question, right? So now A union B whole dash. We are drawing a figure for A union B dash. Means set of all elements of U which are not in A union B. So except these points. So that means we have to draw another Venn diagram, right? This is A, this is B, this is set A, this is set B, and this is your universal set U, right? Now all elements except then this, means the outsider part, this part is your A union B dash. So this part, this is your A union B dash, right? This portion is so this portion is A union B dash. So this is for A union B, and complement of A union B means a set of elements which are in U, this box, but not in this. That means this is. So these are A union B whole dash. Now second one, we have to draw figure for A dash intersection B dash, right? So A dash intersection B dash. First of all, we draw Venn diagram for A dash, right? So this is a diagram for A dash, right? This is U. Either I am writing here, it's better to understand. This is A dash, okay? So now this is A, this is B, this is B. A dash means set of all points other than A, means elements in U but not in A. So other than A means these points, these all points which are in U but not in A. So these all points are A dash. Now B dash. So B dash is set of all points which are in U but not in B. So this is set A, this is set B, and as usual this is universal set U. Now we have to draw Venn diagram of B dash. Means all elements which are in U but not in B. Not in B means this is your B. So other than this set means this is your B dash. This is your B dash. Now intersection of these two sets, right? So intersection of these two sets is our answer. A dash intersection B dash, right, is A dash intersection B dash. So this is A, this is B, and this is universal set U. Now take a graph, there is this figure, and put it here. So which elements are common in both? That is this portion out of here. See, this portion is not here but here included, while this portion, right, this portion is not included in this figure. Means common elements are this one. These are the common elements. These are common elements. These are common elements, means this is the Venn diagram for A dash intersection B dash. Now compare now. This is A union B dash. Suppose I am writing also here. Then this is A union B dash, and this is our A union B. Right? This is a Venn diagram for A union B. So now check. This is De Morgan's law verified by Venn diagram. A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash is the De Morgan's law. So De Morgan's law, first law is verified by Venn diagrams. Okay. So now third one. For third one, this is first, this is second. Now third one. Third one is A intersection B whole dash. Now for A intersection B, you know which portion is A intersection B. So it is clearly a easy figure to draw. This is A, this is B, and this is U. Right? Now A intersection B. So this is A intersection B. A intersection B means set of all points which are common to both sets. That is A and B is called a intersection of A and B. Right? So common points of these two sets are these points. Right? So this is your A intersection B. This portion is A intersection B. Right? So this is the portion which is denoted by A intersection B. Right? Now complement of A intersection B, that is a set of points which are not in this portion, means all the enclosed area. Right? So this is A, this is B, then A intersection B whole dash, A intersection B whole dash means set of all points which are not here, means except this. So these all points, this is right, this area is your A intersection B dash. So this is A intersection B whole dash, that is complement of A intersection B. Right? So this is, so I am giving you giving a outline for these two sets, so you can visualize clearly. You can visualize clearly. This is a set A intersection B whole dash. Right? Now fourth one. Fourth one is A dash union B dash. So clearly we have A dash is this and B dash is this. So we have to take a union, means a part other than this, right? But I am drawing again both figures, right? But I am drawing now these figures in only one, and then we will write our answers, right? That is, we draw a figure, Venn diagram for answer, that which one is our answer. So now A dash means set of all points which are not in A. So this is your A dash. I am drawing by indicating A dash by red line. So this area, right, is A dash. This is A dash. This area is known as A dash, right, other than A. Set of points which are in U but not in A. So these are the points except A. Now we have to indicate B dash. So red area, this red, this is your A dash. If you want to represent in one figure, then you have to write like this. This is A dash, right? Now B dash means set of all points other than B is called B dash. That is all points which are in U but not in B. So this is called B dash, right? So this is B dash. Right? So you have to give notations, right? So this line is your B dash, right? Now we have to take A dash union B dash, right? So A dash union B dash means all the parts covered enclosed by dash lines by red and yellow lines. So our answer will be is this. I am leaving space for writing answer. That is, this is A dash union B dash. So this is set A, this is set B, and this is your union U, universal set. Sorry, not union, universal set, right? So now this is, right? So this green area is your A dash union B dash, right? This is A dash union B dash. Right? So this is your answer. Now compare these two figures. Both are same, right? So that means another rule of De Morgan's law: A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash is verified by Venn diagram. So if you don't want to draw these two figures, then here you can represent by one figure like this also. But in that you have to give some notations that this is A dash and this is B dash, because in this you are not able to write like this, that this is A dash, this is B dash, like that. Okay, so you have to go give some indications. So if you want this, right, see A union B whole dash, right? So this is A union B, and then dash of this, then you know this is A union B, then this other than this. So you can draw this figure directly also, no need to write draw this figure. Okay, so this is a Venn diagram which they want in answer. So you understand this, okay? So next question is question number 6, page 20. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane. So universal set is given is a set of all triangles in plane. So what is given here? U. U is X, where X is set of X is all triangles in plane, right? X is all triangles in a plane. This is given. X is all triangles in a plane, right? And A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60. So A is equal to X, right? All triangles, X is all triangles with at least with at least one angle different from 60 degree. Different from 60 degree. What is ADAS? Means you have to find out ADAS. So ADAS is equal to U minus A, that is universal set, minus A. This is your definition. ADAS is equal to U minus A. U is set of all triangles. So from all triangles we have to subtract X. What is X? X is a triangle with at least one angle different from 60. One angle different from 60. That is, X is not a equilateral triangle. That means ADAS is from all triangles we have to subtract all triangles which are different one angle different from 60. Means X dash, that is ADAS. ADAS is a set of all triangles, that is equilateral triangle, right? So ADAS is equal to X, where X is equilateral triangle. X is equilateral triangle. Got it? So what is X? So X is an equilateral triangle, right? Now second question number 7. Fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement, right? So we have to fill up the blanks. Now A union A is. So solution. First, A union A is. I'm drawing a Venn diagram for A dash. Suppose this is set A, this is universal set A, U, and this is A dash, right? So A dash means set of all points which are in U but not in A. So this is your A dash. This green line is A dash. Right? So this green line is equal to A dash. This indicates A dash. And A. So I am taking A by vertical line. So this is your A. This set is A. So this is your Venn diagram for A dash. Now A union A dash means green union red, right? Green union red is your all set of this point is this rectangle, right? Green union A. That is, what is the answer? A union A dash. So A union A dash is equal to universal set U. Universal set U, right? So first answer is universal set U. Now third one, A intersection A dash. Is any common element in between this green and red union? Green zone and red zone for coronavirus 19, right? So no is there. So A intersection A dash is equal to 5. So A intersection, sorry, is not this question, this is this. A intersection A dash is equal to 5. So 1 and 2 both are completed. So second is also completed. Now third one. So third one is given. Second one is remaining. We completed third. Second one, phi dash intersection A. So phi dash intersection A. Now you know phi dash means complement of an empty set is universal set. So this is universal set U. This is universal set U intersection A. And you know intersection of two set is always a small set. U is the universal set. So intersection of these two, A is a small set. So answer is A. Means intersection of any set with a universal set is that set itself. Intersection of any set with universal set is that set A in that set itself, that is here A. And fourth one. So fourth one, U dash intersection A. U dash intersection A. Now complement of a universal set U. Complement of a universal set U is empty set, because in universal set all elements are there. So complement of that universal set is nothing. There is no elements. That is a null set, empty set. That is 5. So this is equal to 5. Intersection A. Now intersection of 5 with any set is always 5, because there is no element in this. So small set is the answer. The small is 5, because in 5 there is no element. In A there is at least one element. Either A is singleton set, but A is not a null set is given, right? So answer is this is 5. So for fourth one answer is 5. So again fourth one answer is 5, and second one answer is A, right? So this is, you have to remember, and this is nice question of your concept, right? For 1 marks it's a important question. Okay.